boiled and peeled 5 potatoes about 360 grams, 1/4 cup of corn flour, finely sliced 1 capsicum about 50 grams, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli flakes, cut 1 carrot into julienne, that's about 30 grams, half teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon oregano seasoning.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now let's start with mashing the potatoes with the help of fork. Now we'll add corn flour, oregano seasoning, red chilli flakes, and salt. Now mix everything well. Now let's grease pan with clarified butter. And also grease your palms with oil. Now add mashed potato into the pan and gently flatten it and shape it like a pizza base. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon pizza sauce, one teaspoon tomato ketchup, now gently spread the sauce all over the base. Now let's add carrot, capsicum, cut the sliced cheese into strips and place them over the pizza. While on low flame, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now turn off the flame and carefully cut the pizza into 4 parts. Potato pizza is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!